Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to the Senna Brow Studio to get my eyebrows done by Eugenia Weston. She created Senna in the 70s and created like the entire brow game, and I've always been wanting to go get my brows done by her, and so I've grown mine out for like the past couple of months. Like I haven't touched them at all, so like as you can see they are like pretty crazy, and so I'm going to go get them done by her right now. So I'll see if I can film in there. If not, I will show you guys afterwards and we'll see what happens. Hi guys, okay, so I am back now. It took probably about 30 minutes or so and I got my brows done by Eugenia. It was so awesome. Just watching her work and how she created these brows like out of my craziness that I had going on. It was so awesome. So here's an up close look of my brows. They look so good. I do have a little bit of work to do in growing them back in some areas. She did have to feather in some faux brows, but they look so nice. They look really like natural and full, and they just look really good. So I am so happy with it. I did end up picking up a couple things while I was in the Senna studio, and so I got an eyebrow pencil, which is the Senna Sketch a Brow Precision Brow Pencil, and I got the shade Ash Brown. That's what she used on me today, and it looks really good. Normally, like I said, I use like a red brown color, but I learned that I should not be using that because my hair is platinum, and so I should not be using like something that's too warm. So that's why I got the ash brown color. And then I got the Senna Sculpting Eye Cream with apple, stem cell, and grapeseed. And I wanted to try this. It looked really good. I tried it out on my hand and it felt really, really nice. It's supposed to help a lot with regenerating collagen and all that kind of stuff under your eyes. So I'm really interested in trying both of these products out. I do carry the Senna powder eyebrow pencils in my professional kit, so I'm excited to use this one on myself. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new brows. Like I said, I hadn't gotten them done in at least like 2 years, but I have been growing them out for like the past 2 or 3 months without touching them at all. So I wanted to see like just what kind of magic she could do, and they just look so good. Something that was really cool about when she was doing my brows was that she didn't use wax at all. So normally I always get my eyebrows waxed, but she just did a bunch of tweezing and trimming and they just look so good without using any wax. And normally my skin around my eyebrows when I get them waxed is super red, and it's not like that at all. So it was nice to like not be red, and it was actually like really relaxing because like even though it kind of hurts, you know, to get your brows plucked, but like it was actually just like really relaxing, and it was like, you know, so I really enjoyed it. But yeah, if you guys haven't come to a Senna studio, if you're in Southern California, definitely check out the Senna Brow Studios. And I love all the Senna products, so it was like really exciting to go into a studio and like see it all there and get them done by the queen herself. I really liked it. Thank you, Eugenia, for doing my brows, and yeah, I'm so excited to get my new brows on and take them out on the town. All right guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I hope that you have a great day, whatever day it is that you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video, and so will my brows. Okay, bye.